For teacher Chels, because if you're good, you're fine? Okay. All right, first I'm going to mess with it a little bit. I'm just going to roll it. I'm not going to throw it at you. Okay?
Okay, I can.
It's to your right. It's coming away from you.
You're right.
No? There you go. Okay, go back toward the wall. You guys might want to move.
What?
You guys might. All right, well, I'm going to keep them here. I just told them they might want to move. Okay, throw it to me. Hold them, they might want to move. Hey, come over.
Tori can't get it either.
Catch it. No, Chelsea's going to catch it for you.
Do you want me to raise her or give it to her?
I'll give you 50 cents if you get it right here. 50 cents. Come on. No problem.
Let's see.
How'd she get it in there? Tori just hit it over.
She's a slow learner. Slow learner.
I can't. Right?
That's the podium.
I'm not picking that up.
Oh. Lydia has it. Lydia has it. You're right.
Okay. That was closer. First one.
Aim for the essential question. Aim for that. Aim for the essential question. Hold on 1 second. I want to turn the projector on.
Where am I aiming now?
Why am I standing in the same spot like I told you before? Sophomores are a little slow to learn. A little bit better. I'm going to see if you can catch this one. Are you ready?
No. I don't know where it is. Okay.
Behind you. No. Oh, sorry.
I was in pain.
No, my fault. Essential question. Aim for the essential question. Okay, you give me 5 good times in a row. Okay, that's 1. Same thing. Aim where you were. 2. Good. 3. Don't fall. 4. 5. Okay. Take them off. Okay. Throw it here. Give her the ball. Hurry. Throw it to me. What's the matter?
I'm all messed up.
A little bit better. Let's get them back.
Oh my god.
That's probably cooler than having the glasses on, is because your body has adapted just in that short amount of time, to throwing it one way. Now it's trying to overcompensate again. And there you go. All right, you're back. All right.